Ever wonder what those little plastic zip ties can really do? In today's video, I'll show you 25 brilliant zip tie hacks that will save you time, money, and frustration around your home and workshop. These simple plastic strips are about to become your new favorite problem solvers. Let's dive in! Take a large plastic bottle and cut it roughly in half. Make 4 holes in the lower part, 2 on each side. Insert a zip tie into a hole, put a silicone tube over it, and thread the end of the tie through the opposite hole. Secure it firmly. Repeat the same process on the other side. You now have a universal organizer with convenient handles for storing small items in your workshop or for any other purpose. Remove the mounting ring from an angle grinder, the one that holds the cutting disc. Insert one zip tie into each hole directly opposite each other. Remove the cutting disc from the angle grinder. Install the prepared ring with zip ties in its original position. Trim the zip ties to the desired length. Now you can mow grass. But don't forget to wear protective glasses. Take a regular garden watering can. Put several zip ties on the spout of the watering can. Place an ordinary spoon under these zip ties. Now, instead of a regular straight stream, the water will be distributed as a gentle fan-like shower. Facing the problem of a network cable falling out due to a broken locking tab? Take a zip tie and cut off a small piece from its upper part. Insert this piece into the upper part of the network cable socket where the locking tab should be. For additional reliability, wrap the connection with another zip tie. If a liquid soap or detergent dispenser delivers too much product with one press, secure 2 zip ties to the lower part of the dispenser pump. This simple solution will help significantly reduce detergent consumption and extend its use without losing effectiveness. Don't rush to throw away wet white packaging with a plastic valve. Use it to store zip ties, as the special valve will allow you to easily and conveniently take out ties one at a time without tangling. When assembling an electrical plug, it's important to ensure reliable attachment of wires to contacts. If after standard assembly the wires pull out under tension, try securing the wires with zip ties, creating additional fastening inside the housing. Apply glue to the surfaces being bonded and join the parts. Then tightly wrap them with zip ties, tightening to the necessary pressure. Leave in this position until the glue is completely dry. After drying, simply cut off the ties, and you'll have reliably glued parts without shifts or gaps. This method is especially convenient for complicated shapes that are difficult to secure with regular clamps. If the zipper pull has fallen off your bag or backpack, don't rush to take it for repair. Take a zip tie and thread it through the hole where the pole was previously attached. Form a small loop from the tie by tightening and securing it. No rings for hanging the shower curtain? Use zip ties as an alternative. Protect your child from accessing dangerous items and household chemicals in a simple way. Use a zip tie to block cabinet doors. This is a quick and inexpensive way to childproof without installing special locks. Faced with a tight nut that doesn't yield to ordinary pliers? Use a zip tie to increase grip strength. This will create constant compression force, significantly improving the grip of the pliers, and the nut will unscrew much easier. Tired of constantly losing the thin spray tube from WD-40 cans and other aerosols? Wrap a zip tie around the can and insert the tube under it. Now the tube will always be stored with the can and will never get lost. Take a regular zip tie and use a drill and screwdriver to widen the square locking hole, making it round and lighter. Now you can pass the end of the tie through this hole several times, forming a figure-8 loop. This design allows you to securely bind cables together, preventing them from tangling. Create a convenient handle for the toilet lid from a zip tie. Now you have a practical handle that allows you to raise and lower the toilet lid without having to touch it with your hands. Take an old bicycle chain and knock out one link. Take two zip ties and make small notches in them in the shape of teeth. Secure the chain link to any surface you need. Thread a rope through the link. It easily passes through in only one direction. This can be used for quickly tightening and securing ropes. Create a simple drill depth limiter using a zip tie. This will prevent accidentally drilling all the way through or damaging the surface under the material being worked on. Jeans too big at the waist? Adjust their size without needle and thread. Thread and tighten a zip tie through two side belt loops on both sides of the jeans. This quick temporary solution is especially convenient when traveling or when there's no possibility to visit a tailor. Create a convenient tool carrying system on your belt. Use zip ties to form rings on your belt or pant loops. Now you can hang hammers, pliers, screwdrivers, and other frequently used tools on them. Don't forget to attach a supply of the ties themselves. They'll always come in handy for quickly securing parts. Attach a zip tie to a dishwashing sponge. Pull the sponge through the gaps between radiator sections. Holding the free end of the tie, move the sponge up and down, cleaning the inner surfaces of the radiator from dust and dirt. Cut a plastic container along the marked lines, as shown in the video. Make holes and connect with zip ties. Make handles from zip ties. You now have a convenient double organizer with handles for your workshop. Now I'll show you how to make a hot pot stand using zip ties. Broken or lost belt buckle. Create a temporary replacement using 2 zip ties. A convenient temporary alternative that will help in an unexpected situation. Install a wooden block or stake next to the seedling. Carefully wrap a zip tie around the thin branch or tree trunk, not tightening too much to avoid damaging the delicate bark. Secure the tie to the block, creating a reliable but not traumatic support. Don't rush to throw away zip tie scraps, they can become the basis for a useful tool. Gather all the scraps into one bundle and tightly secure them at the top with a whole zip tie. Even out the ends of the ties. Take a plastic bottle cap and fill it with hot glue. While the glue is still hot, insert the tightly bound bundle of ties into it. You've created a compact mini broom for cleaning small debris from tables, keyboards, or other hard-to-reach places.